local 91 pipe fitter, and I'm working for Zimmermann at Miller Steam Plant for Alabama Power. I weld most days, but there is a lot of fitting work as far as beveling pipe, cutting pipe, and dealing with a lot of people, really. A lot of people think, wow, construction workers, nah, I don't think so, but that's what I love about it. I love the people out here, and I love that you get to see the product after you've done all your work to it. You get to see everything come together. A lot of people think that if a woman comes out here, she's either not going to be good enough just because she's a girl, or the women think they're going to be treated differently, and that's not the case. We've got to prove ourselves like anybody else, and it's actually a lot of fun. I get treated very well on the job. Welders and pipe fitters are important because the water runs anywhere from anything, all the power that's made. That's what we do. We run the pipe that gets that water, that gets that steam, gets that fly ash out of the plant. Without us, there wouldn't be anything. Training is a big part of it. But on top of that, all the benefits, really. There's so many good benefits. We have 3 different retirement plans. We have health care, vision, dental. I mean, we've got everything you can think of, and that starts as soon as you get enough hours in your apprenticeship program. You get to sign up for all of that. As far as the apprenticeship goes, it's all the training you will ever need on a job, and while you're getting your training at school, you still get to work and get paid to get more training. It's incredible, really. You've got to have determination, a lot of determination, because it's not always easy. It's definitely hard at times. It's like anything. If you want to do it, if you think you can, you've got to have the heart in it to do it.